break. You know, there's so many things I wanted to do, I couldn't do because, haters. Most people say haters, but it's not just because somebody disagree with you to make them haters. Haters are people that don't want to see you progress, that don't want to see you move forward, don't want to see anything. Some of they do, here we're under some, certain kind of restrictions and stuff like that. But if it doesn't apply to them, why do they say anything? That's the question. So therefore, there's some things that I had planned for the channel, and they went sour, and then I just took a break and shit. So right now, I'm on my way to get some gas from Walker. Yeah, I just wanted to come back and just say something because it's just these people, man, and I've learned a lot. I mean, at first I thought, if you befriend people or you do the right thing by people, then people will do the right thing by you. It's not the case, man. It's not the case. You can do everything right for a person and by a person, and they will still, any chance they get, they will still try to do you in, and this is one of those things, man. It's not hard for me. It's just hard for me. It's not hard. It's just hard because I wouldn't do them that way. I wouldn't. I'm trying to get this damn thing powered up. Yeah, I just wouldn't. I wouldn't care what they did unless now. If they were doing something to cause another person harm or something to that extent, then yeah, man, then yeah, I would intervene. I would do something maybe. You know what I'm saying? Not maybe. I would. But if it's not, and that person is just trying to progress or trying to do some things different, because because I'm here in Korea, man, and I don't know, man. I just got, somebody told me, if you believe this or not, that I bought something from them and I sold it for more than what they sold it for me for, only about a few $100 or whatever. It's not the point. They were happy with the money that they got. But all of a sudden I screw them. So man, I just, it's just like that. I don't have a get over bone in my body. Anybody that knows me know that I don't get over on people. It's just something I don't get a joy out of. I just don't, I don't do it. Well, all right, so now we're finna go and get some body work done. Some kind of way, it's been so hot outside that the heat kind of bent this down a little bit. And right now, what I'm looking at is like right here. See this? I gotta go get that tightened down. And that's about it. Then I go get then I'm going to get my V-belt put on. The other one I have is about gone. Got a lot of cracks in it. And it's maybe about to rain. Look at the weather. So we're off. See, when I get there, it'll be like, nice. Today, too much money. So, they came. I didn't get the chance to show y'all I was doing something else, but he fixed it. Came over. Yeah, this part right here, because of the sun, like I showed you before, was all coming up. Hopefully it stays now. They put some more adhesive there. We'll see what comes out. now we're getting the serpentine belt changed. And I got a new one here. The serpentine belt should take about 15-20 minutes maybe. Take off the cold air intake and stuff like that. And we'll show you how we get it done. Now it's all done. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, see you again.
Yep. Let's see, that's how you get things done. He didn't charge me nothing. All he wanted is a case of Coca-Cola, and I will get it for him. I'll be out. Yeah!
Like the weed, we gon' burn that shit down. Lifted on the beat, bout to murder it.